Is your C15 losing power? Engine stalling? Loud ticking sound coming from your engine? You may be in need of a camshaft replacement in your Caterpillar C15. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Fix your C15 the right way the first time. Install this new camshaft for your Caterpillar C15 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Whether it's protecting the environment or getting better miles per gallon, the benefits to a new camshaft are undeniable, impacting the overall performance of your Caterpillar C15. This new camshaft is manufactured with chilled cast iron and alloy steel, built to OEM specifications for proper fit and function, ensuring strength and durability for your C15. There's no need to put your engine at risk. Replace your worn-out cam with a new one to restore your C15's horsepower, torque, and improve overall fuel economy. It's not just camshafts that can wear or fail. The camshaft bearings support the camshaft in the engine, and bearing failure can cause extensive damage to your camshaft and other vital parts of your engine. Fortunately for you, Highway and Heavy Parts has you covered. Pick up some new cam bearings to go with your new camshaft and fully protect your investment under the hood. And don't forget to check out HHP's selection of valve train parts for your diesel engine, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year parts warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts, America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier.